Hey guys, welcome to TechiesGuru. Today I'll be learning how to improve music recommendations on YT Music app, and now let's dive right in. Now to improve your music recommendations on YouTube Music app, first open up your YouTube Music app on your phone. After opening your YouTube Music app, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you'll land over here. You'll be required to tap on the settings button over here, just above help and feedback. And when you land over here, you can tap on the recommendations option over here. Tap on recommendations, and over here you can see the improve your music recommendations button over here. Tap on it, and with that being done, guys, a list of artists will be shown to you, and choose your artist or the musicians which you like and want to listen on the YouTube Music app. And with that being done, guys, after choosing your favorite artist, tap on the done button, and with that being done, guys, or your favorite artist's song will be available on your YouTube Music app over here, and you'll be able to listen to them. And this way, guys, your music recommendations on the YT Music app will be improved depending upon your choices of artists. And guys, this is how to improve music recommendations on YouTube Music app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.